Hello, this is going to be part two of my making a website series. Um, I'm also going to be adding in updates on my computer science journey um, with this series because I think as long as I'm in the journey in computer science, I'm going to be constantly evolving my personal website. Okay, so let's get into it. So I've currently, as of I don't know what date it is, yeah, as of now, I've been doing a lot of lead coding. Well, not a lot because I just kind of just started getting into it, but I want to get into a consistent habit of doing at least one lead code or two lead codes a day. And the significance of doing lead code is that, um, before I get into that, if you guys don't know what lead coding is, it's basically a website, a service that helps people in computer science train and develop their technical problem solving. So lead coding, it provides a bunch of problems and categorizes them from easy, medium, and hard. And each category has a bunch of different problems that you can solve with whatever programming language you find most comfortable. So it has a bunch of problems, like I said, categorized from easy, medium, hard. And these problems are reflective or somewhat reflective of what the type of problems, the type of technical problems you'll be encountering in your um, job interviews. So this is a very great tool to prep for the technical interviews. And some would even go as far as to say that lead coding will get you a six-figure job. You know, that's that. I've been getting into a lot of lead coding. Well, I want to get into a lot of lead coding because relatively I haven't been relatively I haven't done a lot. I'm still doing the easy problems. Because I'm gonna be honest, the medium problems are kind of hard. I can't do them. I'm gonna be very blunt and just say I can't do the medium problems, and I'm currently, um, you know, roughing it out in the easy section. And if you're just like me, don't feel bad. And if you're laughing at me, man, I gotta start somewhere, and I'm gonna start in the easy section. I'm recording. So I added when I was creating the website, currently or working on it, I felt like before I go heavy on implementing a design, excuse me, a new features, I think I need to, practice a bit. So I did a basic. I created a sandbox component or a sandbox page if you want that allows me to just experiment with certain React web development things. I'm not using the proper jargon probably, but hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. So I created a basic counter so I can just this is just a practice on state management within a single component. And then I also created a basic API that fetches a random user so I can practice my API calls. So that's what I did. So I feel like now I can go crazy on the actual part of the website. Oh, and also I need to mention that this sandbox route, I think you guys can find it's not linked. There's no button that links you to the sandbox page. You guys hack. So if you guys are watching this, only you guys know, unless someone inspects element and finds the route. But if you're a viewer, only you guys know about this special slash sandbox where you guys can see what I'm playing around with. So I think I want to add some animation to my website, so I'm probably gonna experiment with some animation, and I'll probably do it in my sandbox component slash page, whatever. I need to figure out what the proper names, the proper jargon for what I'm saying because I want to sound professional. I want to be professional. Okay, so that's that. Sorry for that clap if it gets really loud when I'm editing, but so that's that. Um, hopefully by the next video, um, I can show you guys some more progress on the actual content that I want to show for my personal website, and not just some sandbox dummy demonstration. I want to have some actual content. So hopefully within a week I'll have some design at least. I might wireframe this, where I frame like what I want my website to look like. But I need to stop recording this. But yeah, until then.